Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a virgin mojito restaurant style. Start by muddling 8 fresh mint leaves with 1 tablespoon sugar and the juice of 1 lime. Then add 2 Oz fresh lime juice, crushed ice, and top with 4 Oz club soda. Stir gently to lift the mint aroma, taste for balance, and garnish with a mint sprig and lime wheel. Serve immediately for best flavor. For a restaurant feel, chill glasses and use cold soda to keep carbonation longer. Try simple syrup dissolved at room temperature for even sweetness throughout the drink. Add a light splash of flavored syrup or muddled fruit for seasonal twists while keeping the mint dominant. Measure ingredients with a jigger or spoon so each glass tastes the same. Finish with a clean mint sprig and a neatly cut lime wheel for presentation. Good tools make a consistent virgin mojito every time, so use a sturdy muddler, a jigger, and chilled glasses. Muddle mint and sugar just enough to release aroma, then add lime, ice, and soda to avoid overbruising. Keep crushed ice on hand for quick service and use measured pours to maintain sweet and sour balance across multiple drinks. Garnish last to keep presentation crisp and inviting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.